Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Loopring price prediction and Loopring news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Loopring in 2022. Loopring is an Ethereum token. It is described by its creators as an open source, non-custodial, auditable exchange protocol. With it, any user will be able to create non-custodial order book exchanges based on Ethereum using zero-knowledge proofs. In 2020, the average daily trading volume across the entire cryptocurrency market fluctuated roughly in the $50-200 million range. Most of this trading takes place on centralized cryptocurrency exchanges. These are online platforms operated by private companies that store user funds and facilitate the matching of buy and sell orders. The intended goal of Loopring is to combine centralized order matching with decentralized order settlement on the blockchain into a hybrid product that takes the best from both centralized and decentralized exchanges. The founder and current CEO of the Loopring Foundation, which manages the development of the Loopring protocol, is Daniel Wang, a software engineer and entrepreneur based in Shanghai. Loopring LRC, $5 billion trading volume milestone can have these repercussions. LRC is among the biggest gainers, after rallying by more than 27% over the last 7 days, while most of the top cryptocurrencies were stuck in a narrow range. The rally comes amid an important Loopring development, but it looks like it might be due for some more upside thanks to a major milestone this week. Loopring just announced that it has surpassed $5 billion in total 2-layer trading volume. The announcement came a day after the launch of GameStop's crypto wallet, which is integrated directly into the Loopring 2-layer. LRC achieved a healthy rally in the days leading up to the announcement and has so far been in the green for the last 5 consecutive days. Can the milestone keep the bulls in the loop? Loopring's trading volume milestone represents a significant achievement for the network. Such announcements provide investors with a rough overview of network adoption, and it looks like Loopring is enjoying strong growth. Meanwhile, LRC traded at 58 cents at the time of writing, which is currently up by more than 80% from its 12-May low. LRC's rally was underpinned by significant accumulation in the last few days. Its RSI is currently approaching the neutral zone, where it will likely experience some resistance. This means there is a significant probability that LRC will experience some resistance near the RSI neutral level. LRC's on-chain metrics LRC supply distribution by a number of addresses shows a significant uptick in addresses holding between 10,000 and 10 million coins. The increase from 2172 addresses on 11 May to 2440 by 25 May. However, wallets holding more than 10 million coins dropped from 25 to 22 addresses during the same period. The supply distribution by the balance on addresses reveals interesting statistics supporting the latest performance. The addresses holding over 10 million coins dropped from 35.77% on 13 May to 35.01% by 25 May. This means those addresses sold off a small number of their holdings. Those holding between 1 million and 10 million increased their holding from 35% to 35% between 11 May and 25 May, hence significant accumulation aiding the rally. LRC's supply metrics explain its bullish price action in the last few days, and it currently backs the likelihood of more upside. However, it does not account for any rapid market changes that may shift the tides. And the next news today about while you're busy looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top cryptos, you might have forgotten about DeFi tokens that make it possible for audacious traders to bring their own DEXs to life. On that note, Loopring LRC, the ERC20 token and exchange protocol, has been seeing some curious metrics of late. Here's what you need to know. 1 ring to control them all. At press time, LRC was the 68th biggest crypto by market cap, and it was trading at $0.5461, after eventually rising by 11.51% in 7 days. This rally has certainly caught the eye of investors who are into DeFi, especially as the asset's 30-day MVRV ratio turned positive. This is a bullish sign for newer investors. If that wasn't enough frenzy, whales began waking up. 23 May saw 44 transactions worth over $100,000, and 24 May already had 22 on record before the day was out. The last time these numbers were crossed was during the mid-May crash. If whales were buying the dip, it's not surprising that LRC prices fell slightly afterwards. However, there's some good news for the bulls. Data from TradingView revealed that the Bollinger Bands for LRC were narrowing, meaning that the future could be less volatile for its investors. What's more, despite the red candle forming at press time, the awesome oscillator AO was flashing 9 consecutive green bars for the asset. That being said, the AO bars formed below the zero line and were growing shorter by the day. This is a sign that the bullish momentum pushing LRC could come to an end soon. Finally, let's not forget to check Loopring's total value lock TVL. At press time, Loopring ranks 76 in terms of TVL, according to DeFiLama. With a TVL of $227.69 million at press time, Loopring rose by 2.37% in the past day, and appreciated by 9.27% over the past week. However, it has lost 19% of its value over the month as both Bitcoin and Ether floundered. Loopring price prediction for 2022, 2025 and 2030 is what we have for you today. When we look closely at the cryptocurrency market, we feel that it is doing quite well, rather, it is doing very well. Since 2022 is just getting started, this is the perfect moment for some predictions. Any altcoin should be valued in the context of the overall market climate and performance of Bitcoin. Loopring price prediction 2022. In 2022, with wider adoption and partnerships among other important blockchain networks, the price of Loopring will skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $1.20 in 2022. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $1.02, with a maximum price of $1.20 for 2022. LRC Price Prediction 2023. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are confident that the long-term price outlook for the LRC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will get a lot more attention. The year 2023 could end with an average bid of $1.47 and a minimum bid of $1.43. The maximum bid is expected to be around $1.69. LRC Price Prediction 2024. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Loopring will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2024, LRC is expected to peak at $2.50. The minimum bet could go up to $2.10 if the market turns bullish. LRC Price Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Loopring price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average LRC price will rise to around $3.14 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year may end with a maximum price of $3.67 with a minimum price level $3.05. Loopring Price Prediction 2026. It appears that by 2026, Loopring, LRC, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2026, we can expect the average rate to be $4.64. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted Loopring's maximum price could be up to $5.33 in 2026. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. LRC Rate Prediction 2027. The value of Loopring will rise thanks to the efforts of network developers and community investors. Therefore, the settlement price for the year 2027 is bullish. LRC is expected to reach a maximum rate of $8.12 by the end of 2027, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is very optimistic that Loopring's future will eventually grow. Thus, the predicted average price of LRC will be between $6.52 and $6.75 expected in 2027 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the maximum LRC price ranges from $6.52 to $8.12 for 2027. Loopring Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Loopring could cross $11.32 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $10. Loopring Rate Forecast 2029. Loopring's current price range